What's the meaning of continuous stationery? Continuous stationery. Continuous stationery.
Continuous stationery. Continuous stationery. Continuous stationery refers to a type of paper used for printing that is fed through a continuous feed printer. The paper is typically perforated on both sides with holes along the edges, allowing it to be fed through the printer and detached into individual sheets later. This type of paper is often used for printing invoices, receipts, and other documents that require multiple copies. Continuous stationery can come in various sizes and thicknesses depending on the needs of the user. It is a popular choice for businesses that require printing large volumes of documents quickly and efficiently.